If you suspect suspicious activity on your iCloud account and need to regain access, follow these steps to secure your account and restore access. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the login screen, click on the Forgot Apple ID or Password link. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address when prompted. This is the email associated with your iCloud account. Click Continue to proceed with the recovery options. Step 4. Choose your recovery method. Select your recovery method, such as answering security questions or receiving an email to your registered email address. Follow the instructions provided for the chosen method to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. After resetting your password, you should regain access to your iCloud account. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for added security in the future. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance.